Picture this. You've got a great product, but no ad budget for a photographer, no design software, and no 5 spare hours to figure any of it out. Sound familiar? With Vyroq product ads, you'll have real, scroll-stopping creative in under 5 minutes. Start on My Products and hit New Product. The wizard opens, and step 1 is Upload Product. Drop in your primary product image, plus up to 2 alternate angles if you've got them, and give it a name like Yoga Mat Green. More references really do mean better fidelity. Click Next, and you're on Describe. Don't feel like writing? Hit Suggest with AI, and Vyroq drafts the category and description for you instantly. Then comes the real decision, your ad format. Want a person naturally using the product in a real scene? Pick Lifestyle. Want a flyer with a bold on-image call to action? Pick Social CTA Flyer. Running a sale? Discount promo card puts the offer front and center. Or keep it clean with product only, no person at all. Right below that, choose who appears alongside your product. A male model, a female model, a group, or nobody if you went product only. Click Next again for Scenes. This is where your one product becomes many ads. Pick from suggestions like Home Morning Routine or Modern Kitchen, or hit Suggest Scenes with AI and let Vyroq propose settings that actually fit your product's category. Each scene you keep becomes its own generated variant. One more click brings you to Confirm. A quick summary of your name, category, and scene count. Everything checks out? Save it. Now the fun part. Open your new product's detail page, choose how many variants. 2, 4, or 8, and hit Generate Ad Variants. Watch the status flip from queued to generating with a live counter showing exactly which variant is rendering right now. When it hits complete, you've got a full set of platform-ready ad creative, sized and styled for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or Google, sitting in your campaign grid, ready to download or push straight to a channel. That's a finished ad campaign, copy, creative, and format, all AI generated from one product photo, built in minutes, not days. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.